Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top tips for creating a professional resume that stands out. I'll walk you through everything you need to know, from formatting to highlighting your skills. Think of your resume as your first impression to a potential employer. You've got just a few seconds to grab their attention. A polished, professional resume can make all the difference. Whether you're a recent graduate or a seasoned professional, these tips will help you land that dream job. Let's get started. One of the biggest mistakes I see people make is using the same generic resume for every job application. Tailor your resume to each specific job description. Highlight the key skills, experiences, and requirements. Make sure your resume reflects those qualifications. Make it easy for the hiring manager to see why you're a perfect fit. When it comes to resumes, less is more. Keep your resume to one page, especially if you have less than 10 years of experience. Hiring managers don't have time to sift through pages of irrelevant information. Focus on quality over quantity. Include only the most relevant information, like your top accomplishments and job-related skills. The look of your resume is as important as its content. A messy resume can be an instant turn-off for hiring managers. Use a clean font like Arial or Calibri and keep font size consistent. Bold headings break up your resume into clear, readable sections. Think of your professional summary as your elevator pitch. Capture the hiring manager's attention with a few short sentences about who you are and what you bring. Highlight your key skills, relevant experience, and career goals. Tailor it to the specific job you're applying for. Don't just list your job duties. Highlight your accomplishments. Quantify your achievements with numbers. For example, say, grew social media following by 20% in 6 months. Use action verbs like managed, designed, and achieved. Create a skills section on your resume to showcase both technical and soft skills. Technical skills include software proficiency, programming languages, or specific tools. Soft skills show your ability to work with others, solve problems, and adapt. Examples include communication, teamwork, leadership, and problem solving. Chapter 7. Education and Professional Development. Invest in yourself. List your education in reverse chronological order, starting with your most recent degree. Include the institution name, degree earned, and graduation date. Add relevant professional development courses, workshops, or certifications. This shows employers you're committed to continuous learning and staying current in your field. Chapter 8. Include relevant keywords. Beat the ATS. Many companies use applicant tracking systems, or ATS, to screen resumes. These systems look for specific keywords related to job requirements. Include relevant industry terminology and keywords that match the job description. Typos and grammatical errors on your resume are a major red flag for hiring managers. It makes you look careless and unprofessional. Proofread it thoroughly before submitting. Ask a friend or family member to give it a second look. Ensure your contact information is current and professional. Use a professional email address, ideally with your first and last name. Include your phone number and ensure your voicemail is clear and professional. If you have a LinkedIn profile or portfolio, include a link. Depending on the job and your unique experiences, you might include optional sections to highlight your qualifications. These could include volunteer experience, languages, awards, or affiliations. For example, if a job requires fluency in another language, include a languages section. There you have it, my top 11 tips for crafting a professional resume that stands out. Remember, your resume is your first impression, and perfecting it can make all the difference. Follow these tips to create a resume that showcases your skills and potential. Tailor your resume to each job, highlight accomplishments, and proofread carefully before submitting. If you found these tips helpful, like, comment, and subscribe for more career advice. Good luck with your job search.